In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this butterfly. To start, we will make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers, insert your hook and twist, loop over and then pull through. And now you've created your magic ring. We're now going to chain 5. Once we have created our chain of 5, we will yarn over again, and then go into our loop, draw up a loop, and we will create a treble. So pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through the final 2 to create your treble stitch. We will then create another treble, so yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2 once more. We're going to repeat, so yarn over twice, go back into your ring, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the final 2. Then we're going to put in a double crochet, so yarn over, draw up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Then we will chain 2. Once we have chained 2, we're going to make a slip stitch into our butterfly's body, so into the magic circle, and then we are going to chain 2 and then go in with a double crochet, so into your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 once more and repeat, so yarn over, go into your loop, draw up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 once more, and then we are then going to put in a treble, so yarn over twice, draw up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through your final 2. We are then going to chain 3. Once we have chained 3, slip stitch into the bottom of this. I'm just going to draw up a loop so that I can use my yarn tail from the back and just pull this a little bit tighter, and this will just help us to figure out where we're putting the rest of our wings. So I'm just going to neaten it out a little bit, just give it a bit of a flatten, and then I'm going to go back into my loop and pull it tight once more. I'm then going to chain 3, and then I'm going to create a treble crochet, so yarn over twice, into your loop, draw up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm now going to make a double crochet, so yarn over, go into your loop, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat, so yarn over, go into your loop, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to chain 2. Once we've chained 2, yarn over, go back into your loop, draw up a loop and put in a double crochet, so pull through 2, pull through 2 again, yarn over twice, go into your loop, draw up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again for treble crochet, and then another treble crochet into that same stitch, so pull through 2 and pull through 2 and then pull through our final 2. Then we're going to yarn over 3 times for a double treble, and we go into our loop, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, and yarn over once more and pull through 2. Then we're going to chain 5, then we're going to go into the stitch, draw up a loop, pull it through to secure our butterfly. Then we can tie off our butterfly at the back, pulling it nice and tight, closing in any gaps. So if we pull the tail, it will close as many gaps as we have. Pull it nice and tight and then flatten it out to shape it. Once we've shaped it, we're going to bring in our next colour, and this is going to form the body. So wrap a small piece of scrap yarn around the body of your butterfly, and we're going to tie a double knot in the top, which will form the head. So pull it really tight, and you might need to move the knot up a little bit just to shape it, to get it in position. And give it a nice big snug tug just to make sure that it's really nice and tight and it forms the shape of the butterfly's head. So pull tightly, keep pulling until it forms tightly and lays flat. So once you're quite happy with that, we can put in another knot just to make sure that it's very secure and it doesn't come off, and this double knot will form the shape of the butterfly's head. At this point we can go in and we can flatten out the two threads at the top, which will form antennae, and then we can snip them off with a sharp pair of scissors, and then once you are finished, you will have finished your butterfly. You can weave in your ends, or you can leave them on to sew onto something, and there we go.